castings. They'll have a casting block that'll make 100 Matchbox cars at a time. Maybe we just make that real big.
We're still on track to release new models this year. Do you ever wonder if we'll see some surprises along the way? Because it looks like Elon Musk might be gearing up to drop one of the biggest game changers the EV world has ever seen. That's right, the long-rumored Tesla Model 2 might actually be landing before 2026. And if these latest leaks are anywhere close to true, this could flip the automotive industry on its head forever. With a super affordable starting price of just $10,175 and a bold hatchback design built for city streets and everyday drivers, the Model 2 could be the most disruptive car Tesla has ever created. And if you want to catch every single update as we do, go ahead and subscribe to Auto Intel. Help us hit our goal of 1,000 subscribers and turn on that notification bell so you're first in line to hear the buy. Big news when it drops. Ready to see what all the hype is about? Let's jump into why this Model 2 could reset the entire EV landscape. Have you wondered why Tesla is moving so quickly with the Model 2? Here's the big news. Elon Musk just confirmed Tesla is on track to begin mass production as early as IAA 2026. That's way sooner than most people expected. Pretty exciting, right? And Tesla might even hold its global launch event in September 2025. That timing isn't random at all. September is when all the major auto shows take place, like the one in Munich. Tesla knows exactly where to grab attention before other car makers drop their big reveals. Plus, deliveries could kick off by April 2026, just 6 or 7 months after the big debut. For a brand new car, that's crazy fast. Tesla clearly wants to stay ahead of some serious competition. So what's Tesla's game plan for rolling this out? The company will start small, just 1,870 units for California to test the waters. Why California? It's Tesla's home turf, the most EV-friendly market in the US, and a perfect place to iron out the early kinks before scaling up. And after that, Tesla will ramp up production quickly across the US before moving into China, the world's largest EV market with more than 60% of global EV sales. Then comes Europe and Southeast Asia, all those spots where EVs are already booming. Places like Norway, Germany, and France are already super welcoming to EVs. Even countries like Thailand and Vietnam have been seeing huge growth, up 50 to 60% year over year, so Tesla will hit the ground running in all these markets. And here's a big question. Why rush production up to 2025 instead of waiting till 2026? Competition. BYD and other Chinese brands are cranking out affordable EVs like the Seagull, a super cheap EV under $10,000 that sold over 200,000 units last year. Tesla can't wait too long, or they'll lose their grip on the affordable EV segment. And demand for electric cars is going through the roof. Last year alone, EV sales soared more than 40%, reaching around 14 million units. That's proof people want affordable EVs and they want them right now. Have you wondered how Tesla can scale up so fast? That's where Tesla's Gigafactories come in. With new production methods like their unboxed manufacturing process, Tesla can cut assembly times by as much as 20 to 30%, a total game changer. And Tesla isn't stopping there. They're bringing in advanced robotics and using over 600 gigacasting machines to simplify manufacturing. Plus, their vertical integration, making their own batteries, chips, and software, keeps Tesla in control of its entire supply chain. That's a huge part of why Tesla can move faster than traditional automakers. Do you think Tesla can lead the affordable EV race before anyone else catches up? Let us know. Drop Tesla wins in the comments if you believe they will. And what about the price? Let's talk numbers. Tesla aiming for a starting price of $10,175 is incredible, less than half of what most people expected. Why is it so low? It's a combo of Tesla's Gigafactory scale, proven tech from the Model 3 and Y, and tax credits like the USS EV tax credit that can knock up to $7,500 off the sticker price. That stripped-down base version will come with only the essentials, making it as affordable as possible, though buyers can upgrade if they want a fancier trim or more features. But there's one catch. Tesla can't import the Model 2 from China without getting hit with a 100% import tax. That's why Tesla's expanding Gigafactories all around the world. Gigafactory Mexico will serve North America, Berlin will cover Europe, and a future factory in India will cater to Asia. That means Tesla can avoid tariffs, reduce shipping times, and scale up production quickly. And Tesla is also using advanced tools like its GigaPress 2.0 machines to produce large one-piece body sections and structural battery packs. Even the 4680 Gen 2 cells will give the Model 2 better range, faster charging, and lower cost, just like Tesla planned. Do you think this will help Tesla hit its bold goals? Comment Model 2 if you believe this car will crush the 25,000 EV barrier forever. And there's more under the surface, too. Despite its affordable price, Tesla plans to make the Model 2 super advanced. Picture a compact hatchback like a VW Golf perfect for tight city streets. Plus, with its fold-flat rear seats, you'd have 40 cubic feet of cargo space. That's a ton of room for groceries, road trips, and more. And Tesla's structural battery design will cut weight and boost safety, while the lightweight composite panels will add even more efficiency. Do you see where this is going? That means faster acceleration and up to 10% better energy efficiency. Big perks for a car that's going to cost as little as $10,000. Even better, the Model 2 could do up to 330 miles per charge, maybe even 350 miles on a long-range version, making it one of the most capable, affordable EVs out there. And with dual motors and Tesla's Gen 2 4680 cells, it could hit 0 to 60 in 6.7 seconds. That's faster than most sedans, twice its price. What do you think is that fast enough? And Tesla's V4 superchargers could top up a Model 2 in about 15 minutes. That's faster than most Level 3 chargers. Imagine grabbing a quick coffee while your car adds 200 miles of range. Sounds pretty good, right? And Tesla's tech? Even the base Model 2 will come with Autopilot as standard, including adaptive cruise control and wine keeping. Plus, full self-driving will be available as a $99/month subscription with a bite and get two free offer. Would you use it every day? And all of Tesla's software updates happen over the air. Tesla can improve everything, even heated seats or autopilot features, without you stepping into a shop. Pretty incredible, don't you agree? If Tesla can sell this car between 10,000 and 15,000 worldwide, could it trigger the same kind of disruption the iPhone did to phones? Could legacy automakers lose serious market share if they can't adapt? That's why Tesla's Model 2, especially with self-driving and future robotaxis, might be Tesla's most disruptive project yet. What part of the Model 2 gets you most excited? Drop 1 for the affordable price, 2 for its amazing range and charging speed, 3 for the tech like Autopilot, or 4 for its city-ready compact design. Whether you're a Tesla superfan, someone curious about EVs, or just here for the latest tech, the Model 2 looks like it could change everything. And one last thing, if you like this video and want to stay updated, please hit that subscribe button and help us reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers. We'd really appreciate it. Tell us your thoughts in the comments too. Do you think Tesla will reset the EV world with the Model 2? That's all for today, buckle up, because the future of driving might be coming a lot sooner than we ever thought.